Hey everyone, check out the EFFTO 3.7V Cordless Electric Screwdriver Set for your next DIY project. This compact tool packs a strong punch with an adjustable torque up to 6 Newton-meters. Its integrated screwless design and double layer paint offer a sleek and durable look. A long-lasting 2000 mAh battery handles about 180 screws on a single charge. 6 LED work lights with a 10-second delay keep your dark workspaces bright and safe. It is lightweight and portable for effortless handling around the house. Grab this handy tool set to make your home repairs a breeze. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.